Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma and today we are going to talk about daily routines.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, how are you today?
I'm good today. How are you?
I'm great, thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Emma, do you like talking about daily routines?
Yes, I do. I think it is a very useful topic.
I agree, people talk about daily routines every day.
Yes, it is good English practice for beginners.
So Emma, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Oh really, that is early.
Yes, I like mornings.
What do you do first after you wake up?
First, I wash my face.
That sounds refreshing.
Yes, it helps me wake up.
Do you brush your teeth after that?
Yes, I do. I brush my teeth every morning.
Good habit.
Thank you. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30.
Wow, that is very early.
Yes, I like to start my day early.
What do you do after you wake up?
I drink a glass of water first.
That sounds healthy.
Then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Morning showers feel nice.
Yes, they do.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds delicious.
What about you? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat cereal and fruit.
Healthy food is important.
Yes, it gives us energy.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Sometimes I drink coffee.
I drink coffee every morning.
Many people love coffee.
That is true.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work.
How do you go to work?
I drive my car.
How long does it take?
It takes about 20 minutes.
That is not too long.
No, it's okay.
I take the bus to work.
Do you like taking the bus?
Yes, I can listen to music on the bus.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it is.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
I start work at 8:30.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails and talk to people.
That sounds busy.
Sometimes it is very busy.
My work is busy too.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I enjoy helping people.
That is wonderful.
Thank you.
What do you do during your lunch break?
I usually eat lunch with my coworkers.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we talk and laugh together.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and chicken.
Very nice.
What about you?
I usually eat a sandwich.
Simple and easy.
Yes, exactly.
Do you drink tea or juice with lunch?
Usually water.
Water is good for health.
Yes, it is.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I finish work at 6.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or read a book.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
I usually go for a walk after work.
Walking is very good exercise.
Yes, and I enjoy fresh air.
Do you walk alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
That sounds nice.
What do you eat for dinner?
I usually eat pasta or soup.
I like soup very much.
Me too, especially in cold weather.
Yes, warm soup feels wonderful.
Do you cook dinner yourself?
Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food.
Cooking can be fun.
Yes, but sometimes I feel tired.
I understand.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30.
That is a good time.
Yes, sleep is important.
I usually sleep at 11.
Do you use your phone before bed?
Sometimes, but not too much.
That is good.
Emma, do you think routines are important?
Yes, I do. Routines help people stay organized.
I agree completely.
A good routine can make life easier.
That is very true.
What is your favorite part of the day?
I like the morning.
Why do you like mornings?
Because mornings are quiet and peaceful.
That sounds lovely.
What about you?
I like evenings.
Why evenings?
Because I can relax after work.
That makes sense.
Yes, evenings feel calm to me.
Dear listeners, what is your favorite part of the day?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Yes, absolutely.
Emma, let's talk about useful English sentences.
Great idea.
A useful sentence is, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Yes, many people use this sentence every day.
The phrase wake up means to stop sleeping.
That is correct.
Another useful sentence is, I go to work at 8.
Very simple and useful English.
Let's give another example.
Okay. I eat breakfast in the morning.
Excellent example.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about grammar a little.
Sounds good.
We often use the simple present tense for routines.
Yes, we use it for daily activities.
For example, I drink coffee every morning.
Or, she takes the bus to work.
Very nice example.
Thank you.
Let's talk about verbs.
Okay.
Go is a regular daily verb.
Yes, I go to school.
Another common verb is eat.
I eat lunch at noon.
Great.
Thank you.
Some verbs are irregular.
Yes, like eat and ate.
Very good.
Beginners should practice these verbs often.
I agree. Practice is important.
Pronunciation is important too.
Yes, let's practice one word.
Okay.
The word is routine.
It sounds like routine.
Very good pronunciation.
Thank you.
Another useful word is breakfast.
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
Wonderful example.
Beginners can repeat these sentences many times.
Repetition helps learning.
That is true.
Emma, do you study English every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you do to practice English?
I listen to podcasts and read simple books.
That is a great idea.
Thank you. What about you?
I like watching English videos.
Videos are fun and useful.
Yes, especially for pronunciation.
I agree.
Do you practice speaking English?
Yes, I speak with friends sometimes.
That is excellent practice.
Thank you.
Many beginners feel shy speaking English.
Yes, but practice helps confidence.
Exactly. Small steps are important.
Nobody becomes perfect in one day.
Very true.
Learning English should be fun.
I agree completely.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, and share this podcast with your friends.
Let's continue talking about routines.
Great.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do simple exercises.
Like what?
I stretch and walk.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I like yoga.
Yoga is very relaxing.
Yes, it helps my body and mind.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, especially in the evening.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Nice choice.
What about you?
I like pop music.
Pop music is fun.
Yes, it gives me energy.
Do you read books before bed?
Sometimes I read for 20 minutes.
Reading before bed feels relaxing.
Yes, it helps me sleep.
That is good.
Emma, do you clean your room every day?
Not every day, but I try to keep it clean.
Me too.
A clean room feels comfortable.
I agree.
Do you make your bed every morning?
Yes, I do.
That is a very good habit.
Thank you.
Small habits can make a big difference.
Very true.
What is one habit you want to improve?
I want to sleep earlier.
That is a good goal.
What about you?
I want to drink more water.
Also a good goal.
Thank you.
Dear listeners, what is one habit you want to improve?
Please tell us in the comments.
We enjoy reading your ideas. Emma, today was a lot of fun.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation very much.
We talked about many daily activities.
And we learned useful English together.
Thank you everyone for listening today.
We hope this conversation helps your English practice.
Keep studying English every day.
Little by little, you will improve.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.